to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Coco, and my channel is all about unboxings, product reviews, and lifestyle, guys. If that's anything that you're interested in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7. Yes, so stay tuned to the video. And before I start this video, I just want to say yay to Coco Things because we hit our 1,000 subscriber mark. Your girl is past 1,000 subscribers, and I could not have done it without you guys. I just want to say thank you so much for being patient with me. Thank you so much for showing love in the comments. And I'm going to continue to be able to bring a whole bunch of good vibes and new unboxings for you guys, whatever I can do for you. But I just really appreciate it. And stay tuned to the video. All right, guys. So I have the Apple Watch Series 7 and 45 millimeters. This is the midnight one, the midnight aluminum, okay? So this is how it looks on the back. It's just letting you know which one you got. It's also letting you know that it does not come with the power adapter. So it does come with the USB charging cable, but it does not come with a power adapter. And this is right from the Apple Store, so I don't know. It's just covering up information here. Ooh, so colorful. It kind of looks just like the Series 5, because I have the Series 5 right here. So that's why I said the Series 5, because I don't have the Series 6. So this looks kind of like the Series 5, right? So you have your Apple Watch, and then you have the band. So this is the midnight band. We're gonna get to business with the watch. Let's see. So let's get this open. And as you open it, we have our paperwork. Designed by Apple in California. It's also going to let you know how to put your watch band on and how to charge it and everything, and to follow the steps to set it up. Some more instructions. Now we have the charger. Remember, there's no charger adapter, so you do have to get one if you don't have one already. This is what it looks like. Let's see how long it is. I mean, I don't know an Apple charger that is long to begin with, so it's pretty decent size. No Apple charger is long unless you get like a knockoff one. They need to work on that. I need a longer charger. I'm trying to be on the phone while it's charging. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at him. Ooh. Let's look at that. And again, this is the Series 7, and it is in the 45 millimeter. That looks nice, an aluminum. So it does have like a matte finish on the sides. It's not shiny. I wanted to show you guys the Apple Watch Series 5. This one is my watch here. I personally don't feel like I need to upgrade a watch every year. Not like I feel with my iPhone. My iPhone, I always want the newest iPhone. I always have to update my phone. But for some reason, when it comes to the watches, as long as it can do most of the things, I'm very, very happy with it, and I don't feel the need to upgrade. So With that being said, I do want to thank my brother from another mother for allowing me to unbox his Apple Watch Series 7, which is this one right here. I greatly appreciate it to be able to give you guys the unboxing experience so you can determine if you want to purchase it or not. So let's go ahead and get this watch band opened up. Maybe that'll help us out a little bit. Okay, we got some instructions. Let's get this open. Okay. So if you guys don't have an Apple Watch or you never had one, this is going to give you the instructions as to how you would put it on, how you would attach the watch bands to the watch. You see, it doesn't come attached. You have to do that yourself. And I know when I first got an Apple Watch, I didn't understand that. I understood how to put it on, but I couldn't understand how to take it off. And the way you take it off is there's two little buttons. This button will release it and you just slide it out. And the same thing with this button here. So don't feel ashamed if you don't know, because I didn't know either. So it just gives you the instructions as to how to do it. Now, some watches come with the extra band if you have a shorter wrist or not. And then they also have the watches that doesn't have this on it. It's just literally you just put your hand through the watch and you'll be able to like put it on. So there is watch bands out there that just have one bands. So let's see, we're just gonna go with the regular one that's here. I'm not gonna make it a big deal. Peel this off. And then this one is here if you determine that maybe this one is too long or too short. You could switch it out. So this is the medium large size and this is the small medium. Okay, so whichever one works for you. And actually this says it's like a dark color, but this looks kind of gray, like a grayish blue. Doesn't look black. I said black, but it is definitely not black. So let's see here. We're gonna put this one on first. Okay. Wow, that looks so good. Yeah, this one is probably gonna be too big for my wrist. Let's see. I stick it through because I like this to be inside. That's how I do it. So this looks so good. Give you guys a spin around. Yeah, this is definitely like a dark gray. It's really nice. It looks like a dark gray mixed with blue. I can't even tell you what it, but it's really nice. I like it a lot. And then compared the Series 5 and the Series 7. Guys, I'm telling you, I don't know. This one here is mine. I honestly, like I said, I'll say it again. I love my iPhones. Have to have my iPhones. But as far as the watches, I don't mind skipping a series or two. I just don't. That's my honest opinion. But this one looks bigger than this. Like, it really does. It looks way bigger. Like, so much bigger by side. But let me know. Comment down below because I don't think I'm going crazy. Wow. So that's just the first impression as far as the sizes and how everything looks. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one set up. This actually has the swipe feature. So if I wanted to say, you love, ooh, almost, love, and it will say me. So you can actually slide it. It looks way bigger, so I definitely spoke a little too soon. But this is really nice. Really, really nice. I like this a lot. It just looks so much clearer. It's really big. It gives that big feel. So right now it's checking my heart rate. It's 76. That's a normal heart rate. Has a resting rate, walking average. All those things can be monitored as you're walking and doing activity. It also has the ECG, and this is also not to be used to figure out if you have any heart problems, if you're going to have a heart attack, anything. It's not going to detect that, but it is just good to know what your heart is doing, but it's not always accurate, so you will want to get that checked out. Wow, that is excellent. So that's really impressive. So my oxygen is 100%. So I'm getting all the oxygen my blood needs to be able to, take care of my body, right? But this right here is something I really, really like because, you know, as you learn things as far as nursing goes, if you are a nurse or in healthcare field, it does give you some type of anxiety. So anything that you feel, sometimes you do get a little nervous. So with this watch here, the Series 5 having the ECG on it, me being able to see what my heart rate is, that does help me out a lot and it does help me feel better. But knowing my oxygen level will be really good too, because if you're having anxiety, you can kind of see like, okay, you're just panicking. It's not that you don't have oxygen or anything like that, but like, again, they do not claim that this is 100%. They're not claiming to know if you're having any heart attacks or anything like that. But if it's just anxiety and it is something that's going to be able to help you, this does help a lot. I can definitely say that. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. And after really, like I said, turning this on, this thing is nice. This is nice. This midnight is definitely a cross between black and blue. This is really, really nice. Really nice. It's so big. And now just seeing like the screen going from all the way to the end. Like, this is nice. Let me see if it goes about the same amount. I kind of feel like this one probably go down a little bit more, but it's kind of hard to tell with these angles. But I'm gonna put it back on my wrist again. Yeah, this screen is definitely more dull. This is supposed to have a lighter screen. Most of the things is pretty much the same, but that is really something I like a lot, having that O2 on there. I just love that so much. Like, that alone would make me buy it. Now, you can get an oximeter any other way. You can get one from like Amazon or anything, but who wants to carry that around? Like, it's annoying. And then if you don't have it, then now it's like, oh, well, you can't check it. So it is good to have it on your watch. I just love it so much. And like I said, with the messages, that is something good. It's just really nice. So overall, like, if you have like the Series 5, and you see something as far as like the oximeter, that's something that I like, then yeah, it is worth upgrading. But if you are coming down from a lower one than the Series 5 and you don't have a lot of the new technology like the ECG or anything like that, or text messages, anything that would require you to have a new watch, then I would say go ahead and get the best one, because it only makes sense. They do come out with them a lot, and as time goes on, you're just going to need another watch if you do not decide to get the latest one. But this is really nice. I love this a lot, and he might not even get this back. This is how it looks in this way. And again, this is the back. This is so nice. Yeah, this one, maybe it's just the Series 5 is just way bulkier. Maybe it's just bulkier. And that's where I felt like, it was so much bigger, because with these next to each other, This joker is nice. Alright guys, that is it. If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything else from me. And if you're planning on getting this series 7, you have it on the way, or you're just not sure if you want it at all, be sure to comment down below and let me know, because now I have second thoughts. I might want to get it, okay, for myself. So as always, share this video with your people and let them know what your girl is over here doing. Bye.